Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss how to draw a parabola by tangent method. So the question given like this, draw a parabola of base 150 mm and axis 80 mm by tangent method. So this is called tangent method to draw the parabola. In the previous lecture I have discussed different kind of methods to draw a parabola. So this one we'll see how to draw a parabola by tangent method. Let's go to the AutoCAD and create a new drawing sheet in this. And in the drawing sheet, if you can see, we have opened a new one, and here we'll create a drawing sheet of our specified dimensions. So for that, we'll go for the MB setup and enable the paper space. No, not required. And unit is metric, scale factor 1, and height is 420 length and 297 the height is there. So by that I have created a drawing sheet on this. Now the question is given, draw a parabola base 150. So base 150 we need to select. So I'll go for the line and select the line. Now you can see this line is moving here and there. So for that I can click on the keyboard F8 or ortho 1 I can hit, and I'll go for it 150 dimension, 150 height, 150 length I have taken. So this is first part, and second part is again we need to draw a line from the midpoint of this line. How much is given? One is given 80, axis height is 80. So 80 I already have taken here, but to draw that parabola by tangent method, one more 80 height we need to consider. Okay, so I have taken up to 80 here. Now from this top of this point we need to join this side line here, and similarly from this point to the other side. Okay, and now the next part of this is we can give the dimension immediately, or else later also we can give the dimension. So next is this line need to be divided into number of types. So let me divide the line. So for that I have typed divide command and enter the number of segments. Let's divide the line into 7 types or 7 parts. So again similar divide command, just you enter means automatically the same command will be repeated here. So select and number 7. Equal number of parts need to be divided. There how much? Here also same will be there. Even after division we can see there is a reflection of point division was not identified here, not visible here. So we'll go to the utilities, point style, or you can directly type P type. Select any one point style on this and OK it. Now you can see it was visible here. Okay, and now we can now we need to go for the text. Okay, so what I'll do here, let's see what are the main name mentions here. A, B, C, D, O, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can mark it. Yeah, so this is how we can mark it. So this is our A point and B point, and this is our C point, and here it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is 5 is 6, and similarly again reverse method will be there, and that will be here will be 1 dash. Okay, so here it is 1 dash, reverse will be there 2 dash, and this is 3 dash, and this is our 4 dash, this is 5 dash, and this is 6 dash. Similarly here we can give the O point here, or D point also you can mark it. So these are the name divisions are there. Now I have completed. Now the next method is we need to join the point opposite to the location. Now suppose it is first point here and it is 1 dash point here. We need to just join this point from 1 to 1 dash, or 1 dash to 1. Anyone you can join. Okay, it's not given. Line first point to 1 dash point. Okay, similarly second point to 2 dash point, and 3 point to 3 dash point, and 4 point to 4 dash point, 5 point to 5 dash point, and 6 point to 6 dash point. So these are the point divisions are there. and here we need to identify the midpoint of this. Now we can draw one line here where the midpoint of this, and now you can see, yeah, intersection point. This is the end point of this, means that is the midpoint of that here. Okay, so we can take this midpoint, or we can take this is the intersection point of this. Now we need to draw the parabola on this. Now we will go for this draw tools, spline. You can select the spline fit here, or else we can type in that command bar spline. So starting point this. Now we need to see where the junction point, meeting points here. This is the first meeting point, and this is the second one, and this is third one, and this is the fourth one, fifth one, and you can select this point also, and you can close it here. Okay, so this is all of the points what I have selected here. Now after completion, we can just check it, both are coming the same or not, then we can just enter it. We need to check it properly whether the parabola lines are inside the this tangent, like inside a triangle or not, then we need to enter it. Now you can see this is the parabola what we required, and now we can just highlight it. Okay, just to give the color, and we can increase the thickness of that. And this one, line word setting, display line word setting, okay. Now see, this is our required parabola inside the tangent method, and meanwhile we need to give the dimensions also. Linear dimension here it is A point to the B point, 150 we can see, and the point here intersection point, not intersection, we need to take the end point of this axis line 80 mm. Anything is there here? Yeah, and this height also again we need to mark, we can mark it here, the height from, like, you know, from here to here. Again same it will be there, as we know, because we have taken the same height again in the axis. So 80 and top 80 is there. Okay, so by this we can complete the parabola by tangent method. And any names are missing? Yeah, everything given. So I hope all of you understood how to draw a parabola by tangent method. If anyone having any kind of queries and doubts, problems are there, you can give a comment on the comment box. So till now, thank you all.